Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I'm gonna be making a cube out of paper. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna be using a ruler. And then I'll draw one line. Make sure the ruler is straight. From 0 to 5 centimeters. Actually, I'm gonna make a smaller size. From 0 to 2. Alright, that's a good size. And then from 0 to 2. So far, so good. And then, oh my god. And then, 0 to 2. And from 0 to 2. There, I've got one square. Now, I just gotta make like 5 more. Okay. So far, it's gonna be like that. Now it needs to be like this. Oops. Okay. Then cut it out. Okay. Oh, by the way, if you want to add like any design, you should color it now before cutting it out. I'm not adding any design. Then just a bit more. Oh my god. Alrighty, got one part. Now I just gotta fold the other. Damn, I have one part done. There, that's some. I just need to cut these two parts. And this part. So let's do it. Okay, there. Now I made a cross thing. So then you can also add design on it like this. Any way you want, but I'd suggest that not to cut it and first do the design. So I'm gonna add some design on it. I'm just gonna get a paper so the marker does not go on the table. Then I got a marker. Okay. Just gonna add some outline. There, some outline so far. Almost done. Halfway done. There. So just did these two. Just gotta do this one. Bam. here. Okay, there, done. Add some outlines. Okay. Now time to fold. Make sure to get some tape and then open it. Yourself. There we go. Cut it out. So I'm just gonna put a piece of tape right there. Then fold all the sides. Just like this. Bam. Then right here. Over here. Over here. It's not a perfect cube, more looks like a rectangle. Get out a piece of tape. Stick it on. Like that. This one piece is sticked. Then I'm gonna get some more. Where alright, there. Keep it. There's the door. Open. I'm not gonna. Just gotta cut this piece. Here. And done. A cube. And a cube. A cube has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Has wait. There's 8 sides.